Hey guys, I'm Ashley, culinary dietitian for the Kroger company. It's grilling season, and I'm so excited to show you a few options for keeping the grill healthy this summer. We all know that burgers are a fan favorite for the summer months, but today I'm going to show you how to take that burger patty and make it into a meatball using mushrooms. This technique is known as the blend, where basically you can take fresh mushrooms or a pre-made mushroom packet, blend it with ground beef, and throw it together on the grill. This is a really great option for diabetics as it keeps the overall meal lower in calories and higher in fiber. Go ahead and throw your meatballs on the grill for about 10 minutes. Ensure that they're cooked all the way throughout before plating. Add 3 meatballs and top with the grilled veggies. Onions, red and green peppers are always a great option to top your meatball sandwich. This looks absolutely delicious. Next up is a meatless option, cauliflower steaks. This is really great for your vegan, vegetarian, and gluten-free guests. To cut a cauliflower, you want to make sure you remove the bottom and also cut off the sides, just like this. With 1 cauliflower head, you're going to get about 2 to 3 cauliflower steaks. Once you have your cauliflower steaks cut, brush them with oil. You want to make sure that you coat both sides. Today I'm going to be using curry powder. You can use Cajun spice or just salt and pepper, whatever you prefer. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until you achieve those nice grill marks. I really like using cauliflower steaks because they're a non-starchy vegetable. It's important to fold these in to your overall daily consumption so that you can keep your carbohydrates at a moderate level, but also contribute to some key nutrients. I cannot wait to take a bite of these cauliflower steaks. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Happy healthy grilling season.